the number system. Can you see what I'm writing?
No.
You can't see what I'm writing, eh?
Yeah.
Now, can you see what is written?
Yeah.
You can see, eh? So the real number system consists of many different classifications. The real number system consists of many different classifications. So the section recap on the type of number that some of you have learned far and introduced the concept of rational and irrational numbers. But ourselves will start with what we call natural numbers. Natural numbers. So natural numbers, we mean numbers like, as an example, 1. We mean like numbers as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and until infinity. So natural numbers that start at 1 and increase in 1 up to infinity. So that's the definition of natural number. We can say that the natural number natural numbers start at 1. And increases. Let's say increase, because if we say increases, it won't make sense. And increase in ones up to infinity. Where infinity is shown by this sign. And we have what we call the whole numbers. Before we go for the whole numbers, the symbol for a set of natural numbers is this one. The keyboard is not working. Okay. The symbol for natural numbers is this one. Are we fine?
Yes.
So can we proceed to the next page?
Yes.
Can we go to the next page?
Yes. Yes.
Written.
Liane.
Ana madoba nichafuna chikoro.
Ini.
In.
Amini.
Kora nichachifuna.
Huh?
Go ahead and touch your phone.
Inamsinda tolenga cause tiri
Ngandana musi.
well.
Vombudza Mauri ini zvachikoro ngongo mudzima dzivai. Ango. Wait, let's continue. So now let's talk about what we call the whole numbers. The whole numbers is the numbers that start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 until infinity. Those are the whole numbers. Remember, we said the natural numbers is the numbers that start from 1. Is that so? We start from 1 until infinity.
Yes.
Now we are on the whole numbers. Whole numbers are the numbers that start from 0 to infinity. So whole numbers start at 0 and increase.
Sipho,
Na
konketsa uri data dzo fhela.
Toru say. Okay, kumbro waldanyan.
Okay.
Okay, guys, let's proceed. As I was saying, the natural numbers are the number that start from 1 and increases to infinity. And it is symbolized by this symbol. It is symbolized by this symbol. So now, and we have talked about what we call the whole numbers. The whole numbers are the numbers that start from 0 and increases, and it increases in ones up to infinity. Up to infinity, where infinity is represented by this symbol. So now, as far as we're concerned, the symbol for a set of a whole number, Alicia, can you see what I'm writing?
Yes, sir.
Okay. The symbol for a set of whole numbers is represented by this. You must put those symbols into your cerebrum. It's represented by this. It seems like yeah, but it's like this. Just that like a video. Something like that. So now, and we have what we call the integers. The integers. You will see some, they will say is the element of an integer. So the integers will mean like from negative infinity, let's say -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, until infinity. So those are integers extend whole numbers to include negative numbers. This one integers, let me write here, integers integers, I said it extend. It extend it extend whole numbers to include negatives. And the symbol for integer is this one. This is the symbol for what? Of integer symbol. So, are we fine? Hello?
Yes.
So now, we have talked about the natural number, the whole number, and the integers. I think now it's time for questions. If you have any question, please ask before I proceed. Don't ask what we haven't yet talked about. If you don't have any question, you can tell that there's no question, then we proceed.
I don't
Do
have a
you have
question,
a
sir.
question? Okay. So now, just give me a minute or a second. While we will be waiting, let's talk about when we say rational numbers. What do you understand by rational numbers? What do you understand by rational numbers? What do you understand by rational numbers? Hello?
There are numbers that can be divided into another number.
Rational numbers.
Hello. Yes.
May you please just put it in a mathematical way, English, just because it's you.
Oh.
What do you understand? What do you understand by rational numbers?
Rational numbers are numbers that can be expressed as ratios.
They can be expressed as ratios. Ratios. Okay. We can even try to put it in another English again. I love the way you guys are participating. Hmm? Okay, anyway, so example of our rational numbers are what? Example of rational numbers. Example of rational numbers are, let's say 3/4 or 0.3 recurring or 0.75. Those are examples of rational numbers. So rational numbers, all of you were right. Rational numbers are numbers which can be written as a fraction. One is a division, where the numerator and the denominator are integers, or as a recurring decimal, or as a decimal that terminates. So for a fraction to be a rational number, the numerator and the denominator have to be integers, and the denominator cannot be equal to 0. So the symbol that represents the rational number is let me try the way they write it. Is this one? Are we fine? Hello? Did you see the symbol for rational number is like a Q? I was still together.
Yes, sir.
So now let's talk about what we call irrational number. We've got rational and irrational. Irrational numbers. So what is irrational number? Define irrational numbers. Hello? Define irrational numbers. The example of irrational numbers are pi. I want you to define it. We've got pi square root of 2, and we have 3 square root of 9, and we've got, let's say 2, 53084, something like that. Those are irrational numbers. So define irrational number. What is irrational number?
I think irrational numbers are numbers that can be squared.
Sorry?
I think irrational numbers are numbers that can be squared or cubed.
No, not that one. Not that one. Abe ujena nge chikoro lishia. Alicia. Pokezo, what do you understand about irrational numbers? So, irrational numbers cannot be written as a fraction.
Irrational numbers.
Cannot be written as a what? As a fraction. Are we fine?
Please wait. No, kakatanga network, so I still need to copy.
Are we still at the same page? I mean, do you understand what we are talking about?
Yes, I understand, but please don't proceed. I need to first copy.
Yeah, I understand, but please don't proceed. I will proceed. So the symbol for irrational numbers like this. I'm not good in drawing. I think we're gonna technical. This is the symbol for irrational. Any question, Alicia Kokezo?
No.
You may proceed.
Are you done? Okay. So now an approximation for pi is the rational number. Remember, pi is nothing but equals to what? Our pi. Pi are bearing on me. 22
I
over
think
what? What do you think?
so.
No, you have to share your idea.
No, it was the wrong one.
Oh, even if it's the wrong, you have to share so that we
No,
can
like
correct you. I will fine.
yes.
So now, let's see. Do you have any question, you guys, from what we have talked about? First of all, before I give you a work to do, first of all, we talk about this. Secondly, we talked about all this. And thirdly, we talk about this. And yeah, do you have any question?
Yes.
Yeah, may you please ask?
Why is pi equals to 22 over 7? Like how?
Do you have a calculator now?
Okay, let me go fetch it.
How can you attend mathematics without a calculator near you?
Yes, they want. They wanna.
Okay, press pi.
Mimi?
Pi.
Okay. I pressed pi
Say
equals to.
it give you what? 22 over 7 is that one.
Oh.
If it doesn't give you 22 over 7, press SD. Do you
I will
understand your calculator or should I show you?
show me.
It will require you to go to the group first.
Okay. Okay. Okay, the press and mini like Dr. Manga shift then data pi. Is it
Hey,
right? Shift
yeah.
then pi. Then what?
Now equals to
Equals to. Then the pi.
Nari SD.
SD. Yeah, you
Inter
read
delete.
3. Huh?
Inter delete.
Huh?
SD inter delete. Inter delete yahona AC.
This is it.
SD nika group jena nika group ka WhatsApp.
Okay.
Manjana.
Fisani.
Ansongo pa masina mbebolo bielera.
Yeah.
Mara the calculator yamuthi ina delete yapo. Orange.
Delete. Don't wanna deal. Then yes.
Del nanta haya del una SD una S yer now equals to ina donga ina equals to D.
Sayone.
Nishi put the for me.
3,14.
Dobani put it.
Yampa pi food.
Put the 22 over 7.
Like the visa sote.
So going to put the 22 over 7. The visa your name.
22 over 3.
Over 7. 7. Nere equals
Dari
to Anton.
Ndeka SD.
Yoni pa mi nichira equals to.
Ndo equals to.
Yani pa mi
Yampa 22/7.
nare SD. Asongolida already.
3,14.
Yeah, pi inochipotedza yayo ni pa mi.
3,14.
That's why zvichiringa.
Mm-hmm.
Nozviwana.
I understand. Yes, thank you.
Okay, welcome. So as I was saying, an approximation for pi is izofunza mensa wewe asitodunanda uchori pi uyaiyatumona is the rational number 22/7. However, this is only an approximation. So by the way, it is important to note that pi is still irrational. Are we fine? Hello?
Yes.
So now, can we proceed?
Yes.
Okay, this is your classwork. Complete the following table by placing a tick in the correct column. And then you have copied that to complete the following table. Is that so? Hello? You can see what I'm writing. Is that so? Hello?
Yeah.
No, kumenza yini? Remember, I said that complete the following table by placing a tick in the correct column. Let's say here the first number is nothing but 2/3. You can see what I'm writing. That's 1,25. And here we've got a square root of 16, 0,25, and we've got -5. We've got a negative, we've got a -5, and we've got pi, and we've got a square root of 18, and we've got 0, and we've got a 0,548, and we've got a 25/5. So how long should I give you? I
10.
think 10 minutes is fine. Your time starting begins right about njengamanje.
So can I submit your work later in the group? Because now I need to rush somewhere. Sir,
Hetini. Hello.
sir,
Hello.
I was asking if I can submit my work later in the group because now I'm rushing somewhere.
Somewhere at this time at night.
Yes, sir.
At
It's
night.
schoolwork. Yes, sir. I'm going to do schoolwork downstairs.
Oh, okay. Don't submit to the group. Submit in box, guys. This is your classwork. You can submit in box. Then we'll mark it.
Okay,
Annette,
thank you, sir.
all of you.
Okay.
Okay.
Bye bye.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Bye.
You're welcome, guys.